All right. All right, Steve, why don't you do our next introduction and we'll keep things moving.
Sure. 1 second here. All right. Our next presenter is Dustin Sitton, principal at Incite Automation.
Yeah, well, actually, I'm going to make a correction there because Incite Discovery today. And Dustin, you can explain the differences if you want.
I will.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, with background as CTO at Mind Over Machines for 6 years, Dustin brings extensive expertise in automation and technology to his role.
Awesome. Thank you guys so much. Those who were at this last month were like, wait a minute, didn't we see this guy talking about Incite Automation last month? Well, I love Channel Program. That's why I'm back. Matt, just yesterday, we met a fantastic MSP that discovered us through Channel Program out of Kansas City. We had a fantastic conversation, and there's some confusion there. Incite Automation is our main business, and we work with our MSP partners acting as their software development arm. We help them when they get questions from their clients about SharePoint, Teams, Power Automate, Dynamics, Logic Apps, accounting systems. We give them new ways to profit on all of these technologies, acting as their software development arm. We've been doing it this way for 6 years. It's been fantastic. And we've made so many great relationships with so many MSPs. Some of them have started to ask us, how do you staff up? How did you find so many amazing people that knows so much about all of these technologies? Well, I will tell you, when we started to really grow in size, we realized we had to train our staff. And I looked at all the training materials that were out there for the Power Platform, and I wasn't impressed. All of it was rote memorization. All of it was out of date. All of it didn't give me what I needed to really move them forward. And so we started to create our own training. And from what we've done in Incite Automation, our sister company, Incite Discovery, was born. And that's what we're here to talk about today. Certainly after this call, if anybody would like to talk about the services we provide in Incite Automation, I'd love to. But Incite Discovery was built to help you train your staff in these technologies using the same training that Incite Automation uses for our consultants here. We'll help train your staff on SharePoint and Teams and Power Automate and Dynamics, all of these tools. And the way we do it is fundamentally different than others out there. Most of the programs that are out there today, they just show you sort of a monkey see, monkey do. This is how you build things. Our training goes far beyond that. Number one, there's a live coaching aspect of this. If you sign you or your staff up for our program, they're going to get an actual coach knowledgeable in all of these technologies from the Incite Automation staff to help answer their questions and guide them along the way. We think that that's a huge differentiator. Plus, they still get a lot of pre-recorded content like you're seeing here. All of it has been heavily edited for speed. You'll notice this course I'm showing here, it's 3 minutes long. There's been lots of editing in this. Everything has already been like, all the words are on the screen so you can jump around and find exactly what you're looking for in what we've written here. We've got this great user interface to help your staff learn as quickly and as efficiently as possible all of these tools. So now we've got two options and ways to get up to speed on all the latest and greatest in the Microsoft ecosystem: partnering with Incite Automation, as many of you have, and also bringing on some of that knowledge to your internal staff via Incite Discovery. A couple more features I'll mention in here is that, in addition to, just the training that we have across these technologies, we also have a community, so that as people are going through our materials, they can ask each other questions and figure out together, or within just your staff, the answers to the work that we provide. Last thing I'll mention on this front is, we're not just giving them the answers. We're giving them real world problems that your customers are going to be asking and giving them the path forward, but enough room to problem solve. Your staff is a staff of problem solvers, right? We don't want to just give them the answers. We want to give them enough of a grounding so that they can figure out the answers on their own, okay? And so we're teaching them how to learn, how to stay up to date, but they're always welcome to come back because we're regularly updating all of our materials. We're going to help you with going way beyond just lift and shifts in SharePoint, right? How to engage, how to really use it beyond just as a simple file system. We're going to show you how to do migrations, because we all know that box migrations are very different than doing an on-prem file server. We have a checklist to make sure that they go smoothly every time. And for just a couple grand, you can unlock all of that internally and start taking on more of these projects yourself. If anybody would like to talk more about what we provide and how all of this works, please come to our breakout room, that'd be fun, breakout room after this. And you'll also notice above, right there, above my head, there is a coupon code just for this, this program today, 20% off every single course, every single class that we sell, just for the folks that came to see our presentation today. Please feel free to reach out. We can talk specifically about what criteria you want for yours, but this is a fantastic program. It's how Incite Automation got to where it is today through all of this coursework with all of our great staff, and now it's available to you as well. And I guess I didn't need my entire 7 minutes, so there you go.